We're back with breaking updates coming in. A former SP MLA has been booked over remarks on Kumbh. An FIR has been registered against SP's Sultan Beg. The FIR has been registered over a controversial comment that was made claiming that Kumbh has turned into a crematorium. For the fear-mongering, an FIR has been registered against the Samajwadi Party leader.
खारिज कर दिए, इसका मतलब आपने गलत बनाए थे। अब आपने वीआईपी रोड क्यों बंद कर दिए? इसका मतलब आपने गलत खोले थे और फिर झूठ पे पर्दा डाला। झूसी में भी वहां भगदड़ हुई। जो मेन घाट है त्रिवेणी, जहां कहते हैं जहां तीनों नदियां जहां मिलते हैं संगम, वहां तो भगदड़ हुई। झूसी में भी भगदड़ हुई। उसका कहीं ना अखबार वाले कोई जिक्र कर रहे, मीडिया वाले नहीं कर रहे, सरकार भी कोई आंकड़ा नहीं दे रही। फिर अभी तक सरकार ऑथेंटिक रूप से कितने लोग मरे हैं, जांच के बाद कोई ऐसा आंकड़ा अभी सामने नहीं आया है। लोगों का कहना है कि कई सौ लोग मरे, लोगों का कहना। अब वहां पर संत समाज आपसे नाराज, एक चाहे संत नाराज हो जाए तो संत समाज आपसे नाराज, बाकी तो अब ये लीपा पोती कर रहे हैं, संतों को भी बटाने में लगे पड़े, अपने पक्ष में बुलवाएंगे आपसे, कई लोग कह भी रहे। तो अब ये सरकार तो लीपा पोती में लगी पड़ी है।
My colleague Adib is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Adib, while the incident took place and accountability being asked by the opposition leaders is fine, this is fear-mongering. Several of the leaders have been making such claims, and now the former Samajwadi Party MLA has been booked after he had made this big claim that Kumbh has been turned into a crematorium. What are the details of the case filed against him?
Pratibha, see, Samajwadi Party from time and again, they have been raising these questions on the arrangements of the Mahakumbh, on the death toll. But this time, Samajwadi Party MLA Sultan Beg, he's the former MLA from Bareilly, he went on to say that the government has turned Mahakumbh into a crematorium. So, taking a note of the statement given by Samajwadi Party MLA, the Bareilly police has now lodged an FIR against him. Clearly, it's an act of fear-mongering which Samajwadi Party from time and again have been doing, but this time a former MLA of Samajwadi Party whose name is Sultan Beg, he has been booked by Bareilly police for the controversial remarks which he has made for the Mahakumbh, saying that the government, the state government, the Uttar Pradesh government has turned Mahakumbh into a crematorium. Pratibha.
Okay, all right, Adib, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, we're slipping into a short break here. We'll be right back to stay with us.